If you have Chase Ultimate Rewards points and you don't know how to transfer them to travel partners, then this video is for you. This video walks you through every step, shows you the exact screens to look for, and explains the mistakes to avoid so that you don't lose value. My name is Mary, and I teach you how to maximize your points, miles, and money so you can travel the world for nearly free. So let's get into it. Chase Ultimate Rewards points let you transfer points to a set of airline and hotel loyalty programs so you can book award travel at award partner prices. Chase transfer partners transfer at a 1-to-1 ratio, which means one Chase point becomes 1 point or mile in the partner program, and transfers happen in 1,000 point increments. Here are the airline partners: Aer Lingus, Air Canada Aeroplan, Air France KLM Flying Blue, British Airways, Iberia, Singapore Airlines, Southwest, United, Virgin Atlantic, JetBlue. Emirates used to be a partner, but that relationship has ended. So if you see any old guides mentioning it, then that's outdated. And the hotel partners are World of Hyatt, IHG Rewards, and Marriott Bonvoy. These transfers are usually the best way to squeeze the most travel value out of your points, but they're also final. Once you send them, you can't get them back from Chase. So the golden rule is this: always make sure to confirm that there's an award seat or hotel room available on points before you transfer. Okay, so here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna click on the Chase app and log into Chase. Then you'll open your Ultimate Rewards portal. You can do this by scrolling down and clicking on the Ultimate Rewards balance. Now you're gonna make sure that you have a credit card selected that will transfer to travel partners. That'll be the Sapphire Preferred, Reserve, Ink Preferred, or Sapphire Business credit card. Then you're going to scroll down and select Transfer to Travel Partners. You'll see all of Chase's airline and hotel partners in this list. Now you're going to pick the partner that you want to transfer your points to. After you click on the travel partner, it's going to ask you to link your hotel or airline loyalty account. This is your frequent flyer account. They're free to sign up for. After that's linked, then you'll be able to type in the amount of points that you want to transfer and then submit. Make sure that you check to see how many points you need after first confirming that you see award space with the airline or hotel. Also remember that transfers are in 1,000 point increments, and while many transfers are instant, a few partners can take up to a few business days. Now, once the points hit your airline or hotel loyalty account, book your travel right away. Sometimes award availability can shift minute to minute, so booking right away locks it in. You cannot return the points back to Chase once you transfer them. Once it's done, they're stuck there. So only transfer points if you have confirmed award space with the airline or hotel by looking on their website and seeing award availability. Now, if you have a lot of your points on a Freedom card or another card that doesn't transfer to travel partners, then you need to move those points from that card to a card that does transfer to travel partners. That'll be the Chase Sapphire Preferred, Sapphire Reserve, Ink Preferred, or Sapphire Business credit card. So you'll want to do this combining step first to move all of your points to one of those cards before you try to transfer your points to travel partners. This is also the place that you go if you want to transfer points to your player 2 or to another person in your household. You will initially have to call Chase to get that part set up if you're transferring to another person, but then after that, you'll be able to transfer points to them on the app by yourself. After you get into the Ultimate Rewards portal, you'll scroll down, and instead of selecting Transfer to Travel Partners, you'll select Combine Points. Choose the card that you want to move your points from and the card that you want to move your points to. Hit Next, then type in the amount of points that you plan to move, and then finalize the transfer. So to recap all of this for simplicity, first, you need to confirm award availability on the travel partner site. Second, combine any Chase points from other cards into a transferable account that can transfer to travel partners. Third, make sure that you have a frequent flyer or hotel loyalty membership linked in Chase. Fourth, transfer the points in 1,000 point increments and double check the transfer time and ratio. And fifth, book immediately once the points post. Now that you know how to transfer points, let's talk strategy. A lot of people waste their Chase points by booking through the portal, not realizing that transfers can triple their value. For example, a one-way business class flight to Europe could easily cost well over 200,000 points in the Chase portal. But by transferring to Air France Flying Blue and booking a flight on Air Europa, you could book that same flight for just 43,000 points. That's why it's crucial to know which transfer partners give you the most value for your goals and to shop around and compare prices of portal travel versus transfer partners. And remember, you don't need to transfer until you're ready to book. Keep your points safe in Chase and only move them when you've found the redemption that you want. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what transfer partner you use the most. I love seeing what gives people the most value. Click into this next video here to learn some more strategies about how to maximize your credit card points and travel for free. I'll see you over there.